Hi my country pipo, how una dey? Na newspaper review tori I bring una from Naija and all over the world. My name na Omogbemisola. Rivers State High Court wey siddon for Port Harcourt don strike down di law wey ex ten d di ten ure of local government chairmen by 6 months. Na Justice D.G. Kiyio declare di 6-month ten ure ex ten sion by di House of Assembly wey Martins Amaewhule dey lead null and void. Judge say e no dey constitutional and e no get any effect. Di court further declare say Local Government Law No. 2 of 2024 wey ex ten d di ten ure of local government chairmen no dey valid. Di court rule say di law no dey inconsis ten t wit 1999 constitution and Rivers State law wey fix 3 years as ten ure for local government chairmen and councillors. Judge say any attempt to ex ten d di ten ure dey unlawful and violate di official oath of office. Dis further tori dey inside di Guardian newspaper. Oyo State Governor Seyi Makinde don show im pride to im daughter as she graduate from Yale University. As e share from di graduation today, Governor Makinde write am say, "Congratulations my darling Toby on your graduation from Yale University yesterday. Your hard work and diligence paid off. Wishing you the best as you embark on a new chapter of your life, and I'm also glad that I have one less school fees to pay." Dis further tori dey inside Punch newspaper. 2 students from Lagos State University take body catch bullet wey grammatical dey call stray bullet outside their school campus for one popular area wey dem dey call PPL yesterday night. Even though we never know the names of the students, likewise the people wey shoot them, but we hear say the shooting happen when dem wan go buy food around 8 p.m. for night. Na on top Twitter handle somebody by the name Be Like Daddy write and put say 2 students have been shot at PPL Ojo, Lagos. Please, students of LASU, stay indoors and don't go out. Kapo Olawale, wey be senior special adviser on students union affairs to Lagos State Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu, confirm dis incident. E say e don get in touch wit di student union president wey confirm to am say dia condition don stable. Dis further tori dey inside Punch newspaper. Di Ààrẹ Ọ̀nà Kakanfò of Yoruba land, Ìbà Gani Adams, don urge President Bola Tinubu make e go after those pipo wey dey undermine im efforts to stabilize naira. Ìbà Gani tok dis one for Orile Agege during di 2024 Ọdún Ajé festival. Wen e dey tok about di depreciation of naira, Ìbà Gani emphasize why e dey important to stop pipo wey no wan make Nigeria progress, because na some pipo dey behind di continuous decline. As e call on President Tinubu make e take action against anybody or investor wey dey work against im administration effort to give naira power. E also urge CBN Governor Yemi Cardoso and other financial institutions make dem do everything possible to stop di wayo wey dem dey take naira do and protect naira. E say as at today, dollar sell for 1,650 naira and na because of di illegal activities wey dem dey take di money do. Ìbà Gani tok further say Nigeria don dey lose im respect for global community because of di currency, as e point out say other countries dey get respect from di strength of their currency. Dis further tori dey inside di Nation newspaper. One social justice activist and critic, Charles Ogbu, don tok am come outside say Nollywood actor Yul Edochie deserves award as human being wey no get human feeling between 2023 and 2024. Dis Ogbu statement follow di post wia Yul claim say im late colleague Junior Pope betray am many times despite say im dey there for am wen e need am. E say im wan wait until dem bury am before e tok di bad tin wey e do am, because im know say many pipo go dey wonder why e no at ten d im burial or tok anything since e die. Make I read as Yul take write am. "I took him like a brother and good friend. I was there for him when he needed me, but he stabbed me in the back repeatedly. That's life. I'll drop the full details soon so others can learn from it. Dis statement no go down well wit ogbu as e enta im Facebook page to describe Yoon's post as nonsense and insensitive. E say Yoon Ejoche deserve award as di most insensitive pesin, make dem see di nonsense e dey write about late Junior Pope. If una remember say na April Junior Pope die wit 3 oda pipo wen dia boat capsize inside river on dia way from film location. Na last week dem bury am for im hometown for Ukehe, Igbo-Etiti local government area, Enugu. Dis further tori dey inside Daily Post newspaper. Nollywood star Angela Okorie don lambast her colleague Zubby Michael sake of say e publicize di donation wey e do to di family of late Junior Pope. Reports show say camera show di moment Michael donate Junior Pope's widow Jennifer Awele and her children, and di video don go viral for all social media. Na dis one vex Okorie wey make am lambast Michael say why e go do donation in front of camera. E say di burial of young person no be di time to dey flaunt money. Make I read am as Okorie take post am for Instagram. Zubby na young person die. That showcase of money wasn't necessary, but as a local boy that you are, you don't have sense, you don't know where to show and where to behave well. Abi you get money pass all the dignitaries wey come there? Mugu. Dis further tori dey inside Daily Post newspaper. If una gbadun dis tori, make una help me subscribe, like, share and comment so that we go dey notify una as other tori dey shele.